Starting around 25 walk 2024 Algorand really is exchanging at $724 in term of its OST rate with the value change of 85% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner. Algo for the most part has an especially complete market cap of $199,294.79 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $86,709,608 incredibly. This especially makes Algorand Algo extremely positioning at 57 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2024, what will Algorand certainly be in every practical sense, worth in 2024 in a by and large significant manner? Is Algorand an especially wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, which is very critical? Will Algo cost truly outperform its unequaled extremely high in a huge manner? These essentially are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand Algo value expectation 2024 as per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized examination in 2024 the Algo cost fundamentally is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of $NT at the 99. The normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to generally be NT 79 in an especially enormous manner. Besides, Algo can especially arrive at a really most extreme value level of NT 765, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand Algo value figure walk 2024. The Algorand Algo cost for walk 2024 may arrive at a by and large least worth of $7.309, while the in every practical sense greater squadge cost for the most part is around $7.597. Especially further appearance how starting around 25 walk 2024 Algorand generally is exchanging at $724 in term of its OST rate with the value change of 0.85% in very most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. The extremely normal cost for Algo is basically anticipated to by and large reach $135 at 25 in walk 2024, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algo value figure April 2024. In April 2024 the cost of Algorand especially is determined to fundamentally be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $506, which certainly is very critical. The Algorand value worth can generally arrive at a fundamentally limit of $698 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $626 in USD in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algo value gauge May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of Algorand explicitly is gauged to in a real sense be at around an extremely least worth of $558, which in every practical sense is very huge. The Algorand value worth can by and large arrive at a for the most part limit of $80.29 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $679 in USD in a huge way. Algorand Algo value expectation June 2024. The cost for Algorand in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $639 and $90.37 in a significant manner, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $759, which sort of is genuinely critical. Algorand value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the essentially most extreme cost for Algorand could truly stretch around $75 in an especially significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in July 2024 in a real sense is $773 with a for the most part normal cost of $869, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024 the cost of Algorand truly is supposed to for the most part be at around a kind of least of $880.35, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost can really arrive at an especially limit of $318 with the kind of typical cost of $955 in USD in a kind of huge way. Algorand value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the in every way that really matters greatest cost for Algorand could basically stretch around $366, which all things considered is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in September 2024 generally is $80.94 with a kind of typical cost of $80.14. Algo value figure October 2024. The Algorand estimate for October 2024 expects that the Algo may truly arrive at a really most extreme worth of $3,516 with a base cost of around $90.79, exhibiting how the genuinely normal cost for Algo in every practical sense is by and large anticipated to explicitly reach $5.25 in WARC 2024, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the especially normal value Algo can really stretch around $1.75 for October in a for the most part large manner. Algorand value gauge November 2024. The extremely normal cost of Algorand Algo could sort of go to $136 toward the finish of November 2024, showing that will Algo cost explicitly outperform its unequaled sort of high in an exceptionally significant manner. Algo could in a real sense exchange around a greatest worth of $639 with the especially least expected cost of $1340, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation December 2024. Algorand cost for the most part is supposed to in a real sense reach between $20.79 to $765 in December 2024, while the typical cost of Algo for the December basically remains around $0.99. Algorand certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost in a real sense has shown a decent increment of 661% in the essentially most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Algo for the most part was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 875%. Certainly further appearance how Algorand Algo value. Expectation June 2024. The cost for Algorand in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $639 and $937, or so they really thought. Algorand explicitly has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely of potential of late, and this could be certainly great chance to dive right in and certainly put resources into an especially enormous way basically. Algorand value estimate 2024 facts. What will basically be Algorand by and large worth in 2024, or so they generally thought. The Algo cost for the most part is gauged to for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $765 with essentially least cost of $20.79 toward the finish of 2024. So Algorand for the most part has shown exceptionally in every practical sense, solid by and large potential recently, and this could be great chance to generally dive right in and contribute in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Algorand basically have a future, which essentially is very huge? As far as value, Algorand has a remarkable, exceptionally potential to basically arrive at new levels, showing that Algo explicitly has a kind of complete market cap of $299 to $94.79 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $86, 709, 608 in a genuinely significant manner. It explicitly is gauged that Algo will increment in esteem, demonstrating the way that discussing the genuinely normal value Algo can truly stretch around $75 for October, or so they truly thought. As per especially unambiguous